I'm obviously very happy to be here, and you don't have to take her away, by the way. She can stay here. To recognize the importance of the new children's mental health law. If you remember, it took us 10 years to get parity for mental health treatment in this Commonwealth, and that was just a few short years ago. And Mary Lou Sutters was behind that, too. So this is a very special day for our children and all those advocates in the legislature, the health industry, and the community who have worked so hard to make children's mental health a priority. I also want to especially thank Senator Tolman, Senator Kondaris, who's chair of our committee in the Senate, who worked hard on this, along with Representative Balzer and Representative Khan for leading the charge on this very important issue. And we also owe such a great debt of gratitude. And we also owe a very big debt of gratitude to Mary Lou Sutters and the MSPCC, Children's Hospital, and everyone at Healthcare for All and the Children's Coalition. So give yourself an applause for that. Because of all of your efforts and your tremendous commitment, passion, and collaborative spirit, Massachusetts is a leader in child advocacy, education, and healthcare, and other states are looking at what we've done. But people like Mary Ann Tufts and her daughter Yolanda and her family are the real reason we're here today. Their story touched all of us, and their courage and advocacy ignited an undeniable call to action. And without a doubt, Mary Ann's continuing strength and commitment are truly inspirational. And I brought a little picture because they're my constituents. And you can't see it from here, but this is Yolanda and her sister, and her other sister at the annual duck race in Plymouth, which I conduct every year. And they've got little duck noses on, and with Daffy, and she's embarrassed. But
It was quite a few years ago.
It was a few years ago, yes, it was a few years ago. And, but what a beautiful family and what a terrible, tragic loss, and we can't let that happen again. So I know those of us here today try very hard to live up to the responsibilities we have to the health and the well-being of our children, and it's an important issue for all of us. We have to continue to ensure that health services include mental health, and thank you, Senator Kennedy, who's doing that on the federal level in the past few days. With more than 100,000 children in Massachusetts. Right? And with more than 100,000 children in Massachusetts who are not receiving the mental health care they need, this new law extends our efforts to protect the health and the future of our children by encouraging earlier detection, improving insurance coverage, and providing a clearer, more efficient delivery of services. So as we continue to fight the hardships of mental illness, we can be very proud of this new law for setting a new standard and helping children and their families live happy, healthy lives. So thank all of you for all the work you've done. And I'm going to give this back.